Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Opafemi George, dey inside studio. And we will discuss the local government as the most important level of government inside Obodo Nigeria. We don't open the discussion with the fact, say, if we continue to sit down, they fold our arms. Those when things say that they do political yahoo with local government, will continue to chop local government money and we no go fit see anything. Oga Opafemi, to the next stage of our discussion now. You get one, everybody knows, even the Bible talk and say, money, if I may I just paraphrase them, all often do something based on say, money need today, make people they do what they're supposed to.
Money na the bicycle way, the gospel the ride.
Exactly. You get one particular problem when we say over the years, some people, based on local government, now they use them as excuse. They go come out, come talk, say that they wait for allocation from the federal government. May they give state, may state can share am. Other people go talk, say if they no go do yes sir for the governor, they no go collect when they won't collect. In an age where we they talk about, make people look inwards, make people sit down, think of ideas to use fit, improve their society, or even if they make extra money, make them not just they dependent on the federal government. How important you think say allocation day for local government? Say if local government no see the kind of allocation when they expect, they no go fit do anything at all.
Oyibo people they talk say necessity na the mother of invention.
True.
Say when situation bend like this, you too you go bend. Follow and bend. As the price of oil now they come down, somewhere for my belly it dey sweet me. And the reason why they sweet me be say now we go begin sit down they think. As free money don't vanish for table, we go begin look around say
where be those things?
Where be those things? So where we feel convert to money? Me and they take Obodo Oyinbo they do example. I talk say this government say we borrow am. Democracy na copy we copy am.
Very true.
The place where local government they work, where we take borrow am from. Places where they call local government. If you go London, maybe they call them borough. If you go America, they call them county.
Yeah.
One major way where local government they take make money now from parking.
From
Parking, car parking. Anywhere where you park for London, especially central London.
They appropriate. No be
as they park your motor, say instead of where they pay congestion charges, or they don't put machine there. Maybe say we go inside machine, take an ATM card, enter machine, say you want park for 2 hours. You go pay. Collect the ticket, go put for your dashboard. And that money they go inside local government. See this our Lekki phase 1. See your Admiralty Way where people they park. Everywhere people they park. See this VI. Every road where people they park. Now money for local government. Now so local government they generate money. That's how it's supposed to they generate money. Everywhere supposed to get machine. As they park, you they pay. If 2,000 motor park for VI today and then they pay to 200 naira, 300 naira, do the maths. Now like 4 million a day be that.
For just parking alone.
For just parking alone.
The idea of parking different. You understand? We understand. Say yes. We they try look for ways to generate money for ourselves. Look also look say what be those necessity things we don't do on ground. For those people to say, okay, I get enough money to even do anything. Say, I park my motor. See, I don't pay because you also need to consider say waiting don't do on ground. Waiting the government don't provide. You understand? Waiting the government don't make available for the people, so that at least if they do anything, you go say yes, I have a government that works.
If anybody look for Lagos now, today, and compare them Lagos for 20 years ago, everybody knows say government they work.
It don't change. It don't change.
Make I give you one example. Me, I don't they live for this corridor for a long time. People where they live for after Aja, traffic where then they suffer every day. From VGC reach that Aja, if you spend 2 hours, at times now 3 hours. If you they come, so now 2-3 hours. But if you go there now, as they talk to you, the governor don't they build flyover.
Not true. Not true.
We be say people don't they go through traffic again. As people talk say, now only rich people, APC government they take care of for Lekki. If you waka go Alimo Shore side, me I don't live for Egbeda before. That Abule Egba junction. The traffic way they be like say some demons puku to Richard.
Principalities and powers.
They do meeting for that junction. That traffic now die. After they talk to you right now, then they do flyover for that place. That Katagura Market Road, where we say
Katagura Market, yes.
Does be don't reach road. Right now they don't clear them, then they expand the road. And And na so it be for every corner. Government done the work. Oh. I know say before, government know the work. But government for today, especially for Lagos State, you know say Lagos, we open eyes. You know if you deceive people for Lagos. True. If you no work, they will come out to you. Sharp, they don't send you. Any party where you carry come, if you no work for Lagos, then go chase you come out. But government today, oh, things dey on ground where people feel see, say, I salute you now, you dey try.
Oga Obafemi George, where you don't come from, don't already show, say, the relationship supposed to be give and take.
Na so.
Government don't give, and as government they give, people self go support the government by doing what they're supposed to do. See, as you do like this, left for me, for my mind, as you do like you be minister. Because no, Nkubi, you know why?
Don't please. I understand.
You see,
you need to start from a particular grassroots.
No, wait.
Make him get the experience first.
Okay, but you know why I talk like this? I just ask you question when we say we don't ask plenty. Nkubi, you know now. We don't ask plenty people.
They don't even know why they
answer the
go
question.
channel
Then they answer like say you go need to go university first. Do 4-year course before you know how to feel. See as you just use environment parking. Nkubi, but you don't go understand.
These are the kind of people we deal with. We know where you're coming from. We know the platform you belong to.
Which people you deal with?
We know the kind of people who bring out make they come they represent us.
Okay, but may I even tell you something? The time when you talk about parking, you know why I bring that question come? You go know why now. When you talk about parking,
why?
Those of us that know that when we park.
Wait.
Allow me to land.
Park, I've been a motor park. Tell me which one it be.
But I park
because
something.
now leg I know say you take waka.
But I park something.
No, park. You can just go stand, say you park yourself.
But I park something. Why you going to ask question when you talk about we don't know those when we say they don't want to make government work somehow.
Don't stretch that.
Somebody talks say we will make 4 million for just this area alone from parking. Which question you ask?
I asked the question.
Which question? Are you from Cameroon? Don't you see the changes in Nigeria?
Now what you do yesterday we will get that special we come around. You don't start again.
No wonder you know wear suit today. Oga Obafemi George,
I deal with
the way they answer this question, my mind is sweet because for a very long time we don't talk about diversification, alternative source.
Say, even as we talk now, diversification, we still there on top of them. They never even fit decide one major factor, one area where they say, okay, see where we're going to generate, and things just the waste, they still rely on the major resources where they feel say exactly. Will go dry up one day.
Oga Obafemi, I bring this question come from this angle now. He get plenty local government areas where we say their own, if he reach to generate money, that to the tier ticket. From people when they sell 15 naira market profit a day, they go tier ticket give them. Like from what you could be talk about, say people they hustle for this country. Other people can't look say how we go take free make money. Why he be say some local governments? Instead of making they bring happiness to the mind of people. Now even the small one when we say people get, I know say you don't follow because when you answer this my question, my mind happy where say if we check our environment we go see things. But why did say some local governments them? Everything about them na tier ticket. You they sell this thing, tier ticket. You get small shop, tenement rate, tier ticket. They just they collect.
They sell this thing, they again. If you not even read the ticket,
the ticket when they tier. Are we going to continue to tier ticket in local government?
See, we suppose talk true to ourselves.
Okay.
Make we not deceive ourselves. See, government na two-way thing between government and the people.
Very true.
Government know they do buy and selling. Government know they do business. The only place where government they get money from, the major place, not from tax.
Where they collect, from the people.
Where they collect from people. Now the tax where they collect from people, they go down, they spend, they do things for the people. When government come, local government come collect ticket. Not before only this place, then they do ammo. Again, me, I like today. I doctor can say this thing. We borrow them from Bodo Yibo. Where they go? Where I go London, one place where they call Royal Arsenal. They get one small open market like this. We be like our own Jack-on-Day market. Where we say people to just come, they sell clothes on the street in the evening. All those people, then they pay money to the council, to the borough. As they put apple, put tomato, put potatoes, as we they do here, as they do that, then they pay. Now that money, council they use, they maintain the environment.
I thank you, say you talk say that money, now that they use
to maintain.
But why it be like for like our own now? We don't hear say this thing when they do now illegal. They don't talk say this thing now illegal. but they go see the tier ticket. They collect and just they tell them say make una dey do am they go. You don't talk am here say these particular people they go come together do this thing. They go come collect government will collect levy from them. Use them they maintain that particular area. Our own be say maintenance we know they see.
We know they see.
Area no they safe. Now we just even be like say now we be our own local government chairman or own local government council. So what they try ask they say why it just some people go just dey comfortable they all sit down and look say make we just make money.
We check areas where we fit.
Just they make money and
without even considering the people.
You know, I remember the details now. I don't remember the story, but for Obodo Oyibo, we be say the mayor, we be like local government chairman. He go somewhere, go flenjo with some babe, with council money. The people can't find out. Pressman come
carry
Amaram. Say, this duty where you go, now official duty. But now council money where you supposed spend
on the
for us, on the people. Now you go spend, they go carry babe. They come out They come out for office. And that so they say now the people know they ask question. If they pay you tax and they tear ticket for me, you don't come clear my street. I'm supposed to come warn you say, okay, wait till they happen. If you don't warn me, the person no go come. Now our fault, no be the fault of the person where they cancel. He get his own. Now the fault be our own. Our people know they talk. See, we get this colonial mentality where we say people with the government, with they worship.
I beg, you go need to pause because we get one caller where they call us from Owerri. Make we not miss this call. Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, local government they work for your area.
And I want important question we ask us.
You know the work. Make I ask our Oga guest one question.
Okay.
This chairman will take give example for Ethiopia.
Okay.
I've been a transition chairman or solar administrator. I've been elected local government chairman.
Okay.
That example one you give the
that one, no. Now I throw the question, then you go answer.
Okay.
Now, two. You see, local government gets so many problems. If what you are saying is elected local government, fine. But under what we have here in Imo State, transition committee chairman, how would they perform when the governor gives them money at the end of the month through their joint allocation? You see, for example, in Imo State, as we are talking now, the local government for the past 6 years has not been there's no elected local government chairman.
6 years.
6 years.
Yeah. 6 years for now, we don't have elected local government chairman. So if you talk about development, Imo State is off the line because how can you go and disturb somebody you did not elect there as the chairman to give you amenities? How can you go and disturb? Of course, there is no councillor. In my ward, nobody represents us. So how can you go to chairman and ask him, I don't have life.
Say yes.
My road is bad. Come and grade my road. Because he didn't elect him. The governor puts him there. So how can he perform? And secondly, it's a high time we look at local government as a tier of government, not an extension of state administration.
Exactly.
Because this governor see local government as extension of state administration. At the end of the month, you just give them patronage from go and pay salaries and come back. How would they perform? It's not possible. So for me, if you have elected local government chairman, they will perform. And as they're performing now, you put these institutions of government and do the checking. Nothing stops government from having a department of EFCC at each local government to monitor the disbursement of funds and all the things they do.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much for this important contribution.
We get Promise they call us all the way from Enugu. Promise, I hope so you still there on top of our telephone line. Good morning and welcome to our city hot. Promise, you there? It be like saying network no gree Promise making contribution. Promise, I beg, if you get the opportunity, call us back, make your contribution. As you get to do with what in local government they do safe. Oga Obafemi George, our Umonga visitor, calling all the way from Imo State. Don't clear us. Say for Lagos, we dey very lucky because we get government we understand say people supposed participate. Not beside they talk say the APC governor when they Imo State, they try.
No, Chukwudi,
but like,
I don't understand.
No, but like he talk 6 years.
No.
Not be okay. Just tell us of governor when we put something into law for May.
So
say local government they 4 years.
Why not just raise that say the APC government? Why make it look so visible? It's not me they refer to.
I said the APC governor.
Pointed at
How did I point at you?
You pointed
Are you
at
the only person here? I said the APC, okay, the governor of Imo State, Owele Rocha Sokorocha, 6 years, they say he will conduct
Igbo,
local
good
government
morning,
election.
and welcome to Ask Ide Hot. Igbo, good morning.
Oga Igwe, I dey greet you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Ukubi, I greet you.
Good morning.
The guest in the city, I believe saying Oga Shuku the night draft because he talk like the mad piece of the people. Oga Shuku. Good morning.
Good morning.
Also the issue of today. This local government you see, some of these local government chairman, they work past government of the state. The responsibility what local government chairman get past the government. You know why? You get easy access to the local government chairman, but you don't get easy access to the governor.
True.
If you get problem, you know one of the reasons why local government chairman don't work.
Why?
The problem, if as you say you dey for one local government, you get 5,000 people wey dey for that local government. You wake up early in the morning, you see 3,000 people or 2,000 people for your domot. With problem, family problem. The money allocated to the local government, instead of the money they take and do road, take and build schools, hospital, you know go fit do am, you go carry am, take and do so fit give them because if you not solve their problem, they will tell you say the local government dey stingy. But the ones wey dey work, then they see money they give because if the local government build many things, develop the local government, and then which money is go to see to tax people. So the shaman wey the local government shaman the work where they work, pass the governors so they try will give a small hand.
Very true. Oga Igwe, thank you very much for this your contribution all the way from Abuja. We get Authentic. Authentic, they call us from Delta State. Authentic, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
They greet
Authentic.
Hello?
We dey hear you.
Abeg,
Continue.
Authentic, bring down the volume of your television, abeg. You hear? Authentic.
Reduce the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you.
I don't remember. Good morning to you all.
Continue, we dey hear
Good
you.
morning, we dey greet you.
As the host, I like una program this morning.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Waiting the happen for this local government. Make a one get with one talk. Can they call for that state? Okwan local government particularly.
Okay.
Obiaruku. And the issue when they for this matter they say local government. I didn't see the public affairs analyst. Welcome. And I want to talk something concerning this local government issue.
Okay.
Local government, as enshrined in the Constitution, has their roles. Local government, as enshrined in the Constitution, has major issues and major responsibilities that they are supposed to perform in their local environment.
Yes, councils, yeah.
Creating of roads, maintaining of streets, markets, and all that. But the case for our local government here, not be waiting with the see. Now, the immediate past local government chairman did something that the local government today are really, really appreciating.
Okay.
They do markets in each of the towns, the villages, and they build bridge, which ordinarily the state government supposed to do. Now, but this particular present administration, not as it is now, we don't know anything, whether anything called local government exists for one. Nothing they exist. We don't know people. We don't the so-called councillors.
No.
Councillors that are there, you never hear one day say there is any motion, any pass, any bill to law that is affecting the
local government
the
area.
local government citizens.
Oga Authentic, we don't note this your contribution. We happy say you start with the fact say the one when they there before do a lot, but it come like say things don't change. Like our ogbonge visitor don't talk. Una go continue to the ask question to demand say why he good before, why he don't dey spoil. Promise don't call us back from Enugu and we hope saying on top of our line. Promise, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Promise.
I want to talk based on what Oga George said.
Okay.
Oga George started by telling us that a tree that has problem of the leaf that will drain the roots. Now, Nigeria, we have to consider the other side of it.
Okay.
Sometimes there's an adage of my people which says that okra don't pass the person who plant am. But in Nigeria, okra pass the person who plant am. Now, so it's in Nigeria. The thing is say, you get another thing where Igbo people tell us say that photosynthesis be the process where plants they take their energy. And that photosynthesis be from leaf where they take attract that energy. So the thing we say like this, if the leaf no get energy to transfer to the roots, what will happen to the tree? If the leaf no get energy from the sun and transfer it to the roots, the tree will still die. Like the thing where they happen for Nigeria now, the people where they lead us, they up there. Then before yesterday, I went out somewhere to the telephone and I heard people saying that when they get to the high position, they will do what others did. Nigeria have such a revenging spirit. So what somebody do?
We appreciate this your important contribution.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much. We get Oga Agbef. Oga Agbef, they call us all the way from Makurdi. Oga Agbef, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Agbef.
Good morning.
We greet you.
Okubi, good morning.
Good morning.
I know they don't say when I don't call that.
Yes,
You don't say well. So we appreciate.
I like the topic, that's why I make a make up.
Okay, right over there, you.
We know say this local government chairman, when they talk about it. For my opinion, and those cases are correct, I from.
Okay.
For those for Esakowe from Aoshi.
Okay.
That chairman, he never past 15 years, he never do anything for our business.
15 years.
Now, instead they come over.
Now, permanent chairman.
Permanent chairman.
I be the born to be chairman.
He know they do. No, they say never do anything for our business.
Okay, back-to-back failure.
Because we plan for this, and that's what they call so bad. Any no make a year now, any no can go when they spend, any when they present they want to election, we know we will accept anyone. They don't set anything for us one day.
Oga Agbef, we don't hear this for one day.
I say the people una local government na duly elected people, na people that appoint say come become local government.
This appointment what they give, they will come. They will do about our thing, not do anything good.
Oga Agbef, thank you very much for this your important contribution. As you don't already talk and say, make them hear. Say anybody when come, when no go do well, una no go vote. I mean, we get Odogu. Odogu, they call us all the way from Alimosho inside this Lagos. Odogu, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot. Hi, Odogu. And Odogu now one of the people when they call us from inside Lagos.
Yeah.
Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we go just allow our Ogbonge visitor to answer some of the questions when we say we don't raise. Come give us the charge so that all of us go know say local government, now our government. And if we no participate for the process, and they will continue to do us political yahoo yahoo, no go anywhere. When they come back now, still Aside Hot. Back to the chairman television station and the senior brother for the programs when they inside Opodo the World, Wazobia TV and Aside Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor Oga Obafemi George they inside studio and we dey discuss what in local government they do serve. We appreciate all those when we say don't call in to drop their comment and we will begin to address all of them one by one. Oga Obafemi George, first question, a very important one when Oga Chukudi from Owerri asks. In talk say the way when local government don't come there now, we get those when we say then they elect. Person when you elect to represent you, now you go fit ask questions. He can't say you get the ones when we say they go just appoint say caretaker, executive secretary, head of this. Say those ones they be like say they don't grow wings since the governor now they give them a share at the end of the month. Nobody fit ask them questions. How people go fit hold local government responsible, whether elected or say they appoint them?
Thank you. Good question. Make a talk from Lagos State perspective. I mean, I know they live for Owerri. I don't know the way they happen for Owerri. But see, in Lagos State, whether the local government now appointed or elected, the governor knows, say, the people with the local government, now then they vote.
Not true. Now then they come out, mass.
Now then they vote. So if the people, they complain, he knows, say, he must solve their problem through the local government. Make I give you one example. For Lekki Phase 1, they get one road where they call Freedom Road for third roundabout. That road no good. When a new governor come in, people can't complain. Say this road, though, they must fix up. Even though na caretaker chairman still there. As they talk to you now, governor don't tell them. They don't award the contract. They don't mobilize contractor. Go side.
I beg, you will need to pause. You go continue from here, but we get Ovie, they call us from, we get Ovie, good morning.
Ovo, not be Ovie.
Ovo, sorry.
Ovo, no vex. Ovo from
calling
Warri.
us from Warri. Good morning, Ovo.
Like what the chairman they talk for, they say if the local government chairman not they do anything to the community, say make we meet them, make we meet them, make we talk our mind, so that they will
fit sit up.
Or you know. So no. So the tickets where they collect for our market. They collect tickets for our market, but yes, inside the market, no toilet. Dirty litter for everywhere. Dirty litter for everywhere. So I want to do that kind of local government chairman. Because when you go talk, you call them to order, say, what is the apple for our market? No toilet, no dustbin to take away our dirty. At the end of the day, now you they go fine. Fine you come to attack you.
Fine you come as an individual. Madam Ovo,
they hear you.
say then they find now come as an individual or say now the entire market people and the community where belong to that market
or
they
the
carry
union,
themselves.
the union where the market gets.
See, may not do this thing for us. Now never do this. Now they collect money from us.
We don't try the tire. Rather, even the boys the way they sell the tickets. Once they cut tickets for you, you tell them say this ticket what they cut. What will they do for us, the market women? They go beat you. They go beat you, They go beat you.
Ovo, thank you very much for this report.
Thank you very much, Madam Ovo.
When we say you don't give us about the local government,
If you do that one for Lagos.
we appreciate the fact say everybody they hear and from the different parts of Nigeria we dey see some of the problems and challenges when we dey face for the local government level. Before you answer that question complete, when you talk about Freedom Road, I go like make you address this particular one. She mentioned something. She talk say if you go report, they go turn you don't turn enemy. How you take things say I go speak English? People go fit galvanize because if everybody speak as one voice, the voice go loud well. Like the people when call the governor say this particular road they very very bad. If now one person they make that noise, the governor for no hear. But as the people collectively make that noise, he don't hear and he know they do am. I know say our own governor for Lagos different but how people go fit using one voice call government to do wetin they supposed to do or wetin be their responsibility.
Make I tell you the two things where politicians fear the most.
So then they fear
Press, bad press, and numbers.
So politicians they fear.
They be God. They don't be human beings.
No, but because you want
If you go put for paper, say this thing where they here no good. You go get attention sharp. Quickly. Secondly, let me give you my personal example. Me too, I dey complain before like activist. I go dey complain. One day I come sit down, ask myself, say waiting. This complaint, this activism where they do for inside house, waiting me say if they contribute to government. I can't carry waka, go somewhere, I just see signboard, ACNs. I go knock them door, I say, I beg, when they do meeting here, what time will they do meeting? I won't call they contribute I dey live for Etiosa. I won't begin they contribute my own quota to the system. Now so I go begin they sit down with them. Begin they sit down, they attend meeting. I can't begin they contribute my own. Now so I become part of the party, become part of the system. They help Etiosa, they develop. Now that one make me come they see problem. Okay, if you do this or we do this one.
True.
Come gather friends. Make we train these people. These area boys, make we train them, fashion designing, make we buy machine for them. That's how I take waka. Make our people no sit down for house. Just they say one angel go drop from heaven. The person you put there in a person, no be angel now.
Yes,
True.
yes.
Human being.
Over where they complain, ask am, saying they go now woman for market. Politicians they respect market people.
True.
She dey part of the union. Because market people they get union.
True.
Is she part of the union? If she dey part of the union, she know they. If she know they make she join. Make them arrange themselves. If they arrange themselves, carry placard, go meet the governor for Delta.
Complain.
Say for this market, then they beat us. You carry placard like this. Government go listen to them. He go tell one commissioner, oh yeah, follow them, go that local, go that market, go settle the problem. And they repeat them, and people know they get involved. We too they talk, we know they put action. We could just sit down for house, they talk, they complain.
Oga Obafemi George.
You don't talk.
You know why my
finish.
belle dey sweet me. My belle dey sweet me sake of say most times if we look topic, we go also look say this topic no serious, make we no chook eye inside. But you don't open our eyes to plenty things when they about local government and where we need to learn. I go like make you promise our people say when next we give you invitation, we know say you be busy man, but you go make time out of your schedule to come follow us, sit down, make we come begin to discuss inside local government matter because this topic they sweet plenty people for belle based on the calls we will not get for different parts of Nigeria. Promise, make it a feel hold you. No use laugh, cover now, promise.
I go call country people. I go call.
Now wait till we want here.
Oga Obafemi George, we appreciate the fact say you carry waka come. Make we shake your hand again.
Thank you. You are doing a lot of good.
A lot of
Thank you
people
very
out there
much.
enlightened and well informed about grassroots
Very
politics.
true. Our
Thank
people when
you.
they for us, they talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move our country go up. Not just say they call on local government, mean say everything go dey local. Now we they participate inside them. We go join hand, support government to see say government really work. Until we come back again tomorrow on top of the Jollof episode to look all the action and ogbonge tori when we discuss this week. Una bye bye our people.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.